Scholars studying the life of Alfred Nobel had long speculated about his choice for the 5 fields for his prizes, with the Peace Prize perhaps being the most enigmatic of those. In 1876, Nobel placed an ad in the newspaper looking for a new secretary. This was replied by a lady called Bertha von Suttner. And Bertha ended up working only 1 week from Alfred, but they became close friends ever since. Bertha was a pacifist, and she had tried long and hard to convince Alfred to participate in one of his peace congresses. So it turned out that in 1888, Le Figaro, one of the main newspapers in France, published an obituary about the death of Alfred Nobel, and I quote, "A man who cannot very easily pass for a benefactor of humanity has died yesterday in Cannes." It turned out that this was Ludwig, one of Alfred's brothers, that had died in Cannes. But Alfred saw this obituary in Le Figaro and was very taken. He was worried about his legacy and the way he would be remembered as the inventor of dynamite that had caused destruction and wars. So 4 years later, he agreed in 1892 to participate in one of Bertha's peace congresses. And 3 years after that, he would include peace as one of the 5 fields in his will.